Let's ask our chatbot. Futuristic sneakers with anti-gravity soles hovering over a tech runway.
Step into the future of fashion with these stunning luminescent sneakers that defy gravity. Get ready for a runway experience like no other, where style meets innovation in the most electrifying way.
Wow! I mean, look at this. I just typed a sentence and boom, a stunning visual. I'm kind of speechless right now. And the voice is like the sneaker is talking to me. Imagine you are a marketing assistant and want stunning visuals for your products. No expensive designers, no stock photos. Maybe you don't have time to hire someone to. What if you could have a chatbot that generates these images for you in just a few seconds based on the few words you type? But wait, what if the same chatbot could also talk using a tone and script that matches the vibe of the image it just created so that you can present it to others? Sounds fun? Let's see the demo of this chatbot. Cool self heating jacket with glowing patterns.
Unleash your inner trendsetter with this innovative self-heating jacket that combines cutting-edge warmth with eye-catching dynamic designs. Perfect for turning heads in any urban setting. Embrace the glow and redefine your winter wardrobe.
I would love to buy this jacket. What a graceful jacket it is. This looks like it is coming straight out of the movie. Would you like to wear this jacket? Tell me in the comments. Let's ask another thing. Floating game console with 3D holograms. Wow! Look at that!
Get ready to elevate your gaming experience to the next dimension with this revolutionary floating console. Dive into breathtaking holographic worlds that pulse with life and color, transforming every play session into an exhilarating adventure.
Okay, I did not expect that. This feels like something you would see in a high budget commercial, and AI just pulled it off in few seconds. Next one, smart chair adjusting shape with soft lights. Amazing!
Transform your relaxation time with this innovative smart chair that not only hugs your body, but also illuminates your space with mesmerizing lights. Get ready to elevate your comfort and style like never before.
Let's ask few more things. Sleek boat floating with soft blue lights.
Set sail into a dreamlike adventure aboard this stunning boat, where the gentle glow of blue lights creates an enchanting atmosphere, making every moment on the serene waters truly magical. Set sail into a dreamlike adventure aboard this stunning boat.
Oh wow, that is next level. The image, the voice, it gives me chills. This isn't just AI, this is an art. Next, self-moving suitcase rolling in a glass airport.
Get ready to revolutionize your journey with a dazzling self-moving suitcase that enhances your travel experience, blending advanced technology and elegance as it effortlessly glides alongside you in style through the airport.
That was amazing. So, you just saw it that how we can create marketing visuals through this chatbot. We can listen the voice. That is so amazing. So, let's jump into the code to see what is happening inside the code. Code is very simple. So, if you see my previous video, you will see that we created an API key and the model we are calling is GPT-4o mini. In this video, we are having two system messages. System messages are the messages which have role of system. We instruct our model to send back the response in the format we want. For example, system underscore messages underscore prompt, we instruct GPT-4o Mini to make a prompt with marketing style. That prompt we will feed it to dall-e3. In the chat function, we are putting system underscore messages underscore prompt, and the response which we are getting from GPT-4o Mini is passed to create the image inside create underscore image underscore marketing function. Similarly, we have another system underscore messages underscore chat, which is responsible for creating the chat for the user. The two-line message which is talked by our text to speech model. And once we receive the response from GPT-4o Mini, we just play the audio by this function. So I put my code inside the GitHub account and shared the link inside the description so that you can also run the code. Let me know if you face any issues regarding that. Don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. I am Ali Mehdi and I'll see you in the next video.